But on the contrary, there are countries in the world where even today old technology is used which is forgotten by half the world. Among these countries is Pakistan, which has made a lot of progress, but in some places old technology still exists. Before it was too late, I tried to capture it on camera so that those who came after us could see it. I am Tasawwar and you are watching my channel Best 5 Tech. Before we start the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get more such videos. Here's a look at some of the great engines you've seen, how it works and what it does. The engine drives two machines, a flour mill and a mustard oil extractor. There are many pulley systems in front of this engine, one of which is linked to the flour mill. When the dough is to be made, the flour mill is run with the help of this pulley. Inside the machine is wheat, from which flour is made. Now come to the second part of this plant, where oil is being extracted from mustard. Inserted into a mustard machine, powered by the same large engine. This mustard is very dry. The mustard was soaked in water so that the machine could do its job easily. The machine has done its job very well and is ready to extract oil from mustard, on the other hand also making mustard cake. Wow! Wonderful, very high. Mustard oil has come out. You can see how the oil is flowing wonderfully, and collecting in a bucket. On the other hand, these two young men are collecting mustard cake. The mustard husk is passed through the machine 2 or 3 times to get the oil out. Friends, I hope you like this informative video. If you like it, please hit the like button below, so that I can be inspired and make more such videos. We'll see you soon. Take of yourself and your family. Stay blessed.